Hey Cupcakes, welcome back to my lace frontal wig series, and today in episode 4 I'll be showing y'all how to make a lace frontal wig. If you haven't watched episodes 1 through 3, I will leave a link right up here so that you can click on it and start from the very beginning. Here are the items you will need to make a lace frontal wig. A wig brush, some hair clips, a sewing needle and thread, scissors, a mannequin head, and your lace frontal, of course. You will also need a dome cap. I purchased 2 dome caps. I haven't figured out as yet which one I will be using. You will need some T-pins, or like I said, a little hack is using safety pins to tack down your frontal and your dome cap. Lastly, you will need your bundle. So let's get started. Now I am going to apply my lace frontal to my dome cap. Do not align the hairline to the dome cap. Bring it like a bit over, maybe 1 inch to a half inch over the dome cap. Like this, as you can see, this is the lace, and this right here is the dome cap. Look right here. Now I am about to tack this down. Now we are going to tack this in the back down. We need it as flat as possible. As you can see, it's pretty flat right here. We don't need no lumps, no bumps, no gaps, no space, nothing like that. Now we're gonna sew this frontal in the back down. I also added some water to, brush the hairs forward so that I can pin it down. So I already have my thread already knotted. We're gonna start in the middle and work on this side, and as we go we can move these safety pins once we are tacked. We are approaching the band. You do not sew through the elastic, sew through the spandex material, because if you sew through the elastic band, the wig cap won't be stretchy when applying your wig on your head. Through, wrap the thread around 3 times, and now I'm going to pull, and it should be knotted. So now, Cupcakes, I am about to do the other side, and I'll be back to show you all the finished product. Right now we're going to add our wax to our cap. The longest length is my 26 inches, and I am not going to double wax. What I'm going to do is cut my wax as I go. an inch above the last weft that was sewed down. I'm going through the wefts only at the ends.